Supply Chain and Logistics Management, MSc, at WMG is one of the best in the world. We are ranked #1 in the UK by Universal because of our unique teaching styles, because of our industrial engagement, because students not just develop their knowledge in supply chain logistics management, but also develop their skill sets to become supply chain professionals. Supply chain is no longer just about a chain of supply, it's about how do we generate value. And the learning journey basically takes you through the sequence of functions within a supply chain. So we are really focused on the authentic learning experience. We have simulations, we have role play exercises, we have a range of different case studies because we want to ensure that we offer a broad range of examples and a broad range of industries to our students. Students are actually applying the theories in these simulations, in these gameplay, in these role play activities where they're becoming supply chain professionals. So in terms of the dissertation element of the course, there's different versions or different opportunities for students to engage on different formats of the dissertation. As a student in WMG, you will have access to a set of resources. #1, the tutors. We are there to facilitate this learning journey for you. We are there to support you on your learning journey. You will also have access to a fantastic library. You will also have access to facilities. We are very much student focused and student experience for us is key. The course is currently accredited by the two main accrediting bodies in the UK for supply chain and logistics. Once students graduate, this allows them to straight away apply to become chartered members of these accrediting bodies. By joining us on this course, you will transition yourself into becoming a supply chain and logistics professional. It will open doors for you in a multitude of different industries. There's so much that you can do. So freight forwarding, supply chain consultancy. You can also work in any industry that produces a product. We've got the automotive industry, we've got the aerospace industry. It's not just that you're going to be learning the technical knowledge of what supply chain is or what logistics management is. You are also going to develop your skill sets in terms of how you learn and how you acquire new knowledge. And this skill set is something that is going to stay with you forever.